Hello students, in the previous video we did multiple choice questions and fill in the blanks. Today we will write T for true statements and F for false statements. Are you ready students? Number 1. Dhruv has small house. It is true or false? It is false. Dhruv has big house. Number 2. The windows of the house are painted in brown color. It is true or false? It is true. The windows of the house are painted in brown color. Now next, he keeps his pet inside the room. It is true or false? Who's tell me? It is false. He keeps his pet in the back of his house. Now last, they call their house as Swarg. It is true or false? Who's tell me? It is true. Now 7 vegetables name are hidden in the given puzzle. इस puzzle में 7 vegetables के name छुपे हुए हैं that you can grow in your kitchen garden, जिसे आप अपने किचन गार्डन में उगा सकते हैं. Find them out and encircle them. उन नेम्स को फाइंड करना है और उसमें सर्कल करना है. One has been done for you. Let's find them. At first, look at this picture and tell me, what is this? This is tomato. पहले तो हमें टमाटो की स्पेलिंग पता होनी चाहिए, तभी हम इस पजल में से इसको फाइंड कर पाएंगे. तो Tomato, tomato. Let's find the name of tomato. Tomato, tomato. Yes. Okay. Look at the picture and tell me, what is it? लेडी फिंगर. सबसे पहले हम लेडी फिंगर की स्पेलिंग सीख लेते हैं. LADYFINGER, लेडी फिंगर. लेट्स फाइंड LADYFINGER, lady finger. Next is, tell me, what is this? This is brinjal. Find its name. BRINJAL, brinjal. Circle its name. Okay, now next, tell me, what is this? It is a carrot. पहले हम कैरेट की स्पेलिंग को लर्न कर लेते हैं. CARROT, carrot. Find its name. CARROT, carrot. Now next, look at the picture and tell me, what is this? This is a radish. RADISH, radish. It is done. Now next, look at the picture and tell me, what is it? It is spinach. पहले हम इसकी स्पेलिंग लर्न कर लेते हैं. SPINACH, spinach. Let's find its name. SPINACH, spinach. Now last. What is it? Who's tell me? It is cabbage. At first, let's learn its spelling. CABBAGE, cabbage. Let's find its name. CABBAGE, cabbage. So students, your today's homework is draw pictures of vegetables and write their names. Okay students? Okay, bye.